I've used any real products to put those braids in. I use water and oil. Hey guys, so I'm just going to show you my experience with using the Cantu products on my 4C hair. All products don't work on my hair at all, and I don't like the way a lot of shampoos and conditioners feel. So this is something big for me to be using something different. After I got the water to the temperature that I liked, I'm just going to rinse my hair with just water to saturate it so that when I put the shampoo in, so those braids that I did in my hair, I only use water and oil to put those braids in. And look at those curls. Look how defined my curls are right here as I'm washing my hair. I really like that. So y'all, look at those curls. I wish my hair stayed like that. So I'm just gonna shampoo it, get all the shampoo all over my hair, and then yeah, I'm gonna shampoo it on the camera and off the camera. So I did it twice. This shampoo really felt good in my hair, and shampoo normally is the toughest on my hair, and I like the way this felt. Like, it felt really good. It did not shrink my hair like some shampoos do, and it didn't make it feel like wool. So it was soft, and I like that. I really like that. And look at those curls, y'all. Look at those curls. So right here, I was just feeling the hair. I was super excited because it felt good. Like, shampoo normally don't feel good in my hair. So for it to feel soft and for it not to shrink, I love that. That's how much hair fell out as I was detangling and, washing my hair. Now I'm going to rinse it, and not so much hair came out the whole process for me to have braids in for like 2 to 3 weeks. See, it was still soft and it was not shrunk. So that I give the shampoo, I'll give it out 1 out of 10, 10 being the best. I will give the shampoo a 10 because it actually did the job. And that's how much hair came out after I rinsed my hair. So those 2 little pieces of hair was not bad. So people say put a dime size. Do people know what a dime size is? Oh my gosh, I don't understand how people use a dime size for their hair. I use a palm, my whole palm. The conditioner was really soft and it smelled really good. But as you can see, my hair started to change. Okay, so rating the conditioner, I will give the conditioner a 1 out of 10, 10 being the highest. I will give the conditioner a 6, only because it kept my hair super soft. I'll give it a 7. Yeah, a 7. It kept my hair super soft, but it also shrunk my hair. And yeah, it just don't look the same as what it looked like when I first rinsed it and what the shampoo did to it. So this is all the hair that came out after I shampooed and conditioned my hair. So I'm going to let the conditioner sit in my hair for a few minutes and then I'll wash it out. Just rinse out the conditioner. Yeah, I wasn't too fond of the texture of my hair. Well, not the texture. Yeah, the texture of my hair. After conditioning it, it was still soft, but it's just this weird feeling that I feel that I don't like with other shampoos and conditioners. So the conditioner I didn't care too much for. So I'm gonna bump the rating for the conditioner down to a 5.5. Yeah, I think that'll be good for the conditioner. Okay, after drying my hair, I took the towel off and whatever, and it was super soft. Like, my hair was super soft, but look at it. I don't like that. See, this is the 4C hair that I don't like. Like, when it's all matted down like that, I don't like that. But let's keep going. The shrinkage is real. But this is why I bought this product, because they still had Christmas kits and it was only $9.98. So why not buy it? I just wanted to try it. These are the products that they had inside of it. Okay, so first we're going to test out the leave-in conditioner. It doesn't smell too good, but yeah, I think I was trying to get a thumbnail right there. So rating this product 1 through 10, with 10 being the highest, I'll give this product a 5 because I didn't like the way it made my hair feel and it did not smell good. So now I'm going to try the Grow Strong Strengthening treatment, and I don't know, I couldn't get a smell to it, but then once I put it on my hand, it actually did smell good. So I don't know if it was old or what. I don't know. Maybe my nose was broke. Yes, I like the way this made my hair feel. Look, I really did like the way it made my hair feel. It felt really soft. It felt really good. And it felt like I can just run my hands through my 4C hair. Okay, so rating this product 1 through 10, 10 being the highest, I'll give it a 10 because it really made my hair feel that good. Okay, so here's the tea tree shea butter jojoba. Is that what it is? Jojoba? Whatever. You know what it says. So here it is. And yeah, it's cute and whatever. But once I smelled it, it had no smell. But then I put my finger in there. It smelled like Vaseline. That's what it smells like. Vaseline. And it felt like Vaseline. Tea tree oil smells kind of good. I like tea tree oil, but that felt like Vaseline, smelled like Vaseline, and that's it. It smelled and felt like Vaseline. So, yeah, this product, I'm going to give it a 4.5. I'll give it a 4.5 because I didn't care too much for it. I'm used to oil, and that was Vaseline. If I wanted Vaseline, I would have put grease in my hair, you know. So, yeah, that just wasn't it. So, I'm just going to part my hair so that I can twist it and figure out if this product is going to do good with my twist. So it wasn't bad combing my hair out, detangling and combing my hair out. So I do like that. So now I'm just going to start parting and twisting my hair in flat twists. And finally, this is the end result. My hair is very moisturized. It's hair. It's 4C hair. So, yeah, I'll be back in a few days. Okay, I am back. And this is 2 or 3 days later. So this is what it looks like afterwards. And I'm just going to use the little oil to, I'll call it Vaseline oil, because that's what it feels like. I'm just going to use some of that to take my hair down. Okay, the first one turned out really good. Yeah, but the second one didn't turn out so good. So I think it's because it was a little chunkier, but that still don't mean nothing because I still twisted it the right way. So, yeah. So I'm just finishing taking the other side down, and then I will be back to show you the results. And ta-da! So this is the end result. I am not really happy with it, but that's what I get for having 4C hair. But it's okay. So I found some Cantu edge control. Yeah, it probably looks upside down right there, but it's not. So yeah, I'm just gonna try it out. It smells really good, and let's see how this work out. This is just because I didn't really care for my afro, so I'm just gonna try to put it in a different hairstyle. Yeah, just slick it on back, and I mean it works. The edge control is really good. I'll give the edge control a 5 because I have 4C hair and it did lay it down, but it did grease up and it did not, my edges or my hair did not stay laid down for a long period of time. So yeah, if you want to do your hair for like probably 30 minutes or so just to take a picture, yes, it works for me for probably not even 30 minutes. But you see, thanks for watching, guys.